Overweight and obesity is the second leading cause of death, killing 3 lakh people a year, and there is not a miracle pill that will lead to a weight loss. Namaskar. The topic of the day is Lekhan Basti, its ingredients and indication, and myself, Dr. Sonika Naida. So let's move toward the class. Lekhan Basti. In introduction, we can understand the word Lekhna. Lekhna word signifies something scarifying, something is getting reduced. Okay, according to Acharya Sharangdhara, he considered Lekhna in a wide sense. Lekhna is a process of drying all the excess dosha, dhatus and mala, and that is Deha Vishoshana. So Lekhna is something getting reduction, getting reducing. So that is the meaning of word Lekhana. And Vasti is medicated anima niruha Vasti. We call it Asthapana Vasti also. It is advised in Kapha Jaroga, Kapha Avritta Vata Roga and Sthaurya. And obesity and in hyperlipidemia, it is very common in use in Panchkarma setup. They are using this Vasti for obesity and in hyperlipidemic cases and getting very good results also. But this Vasti should be is combined with another therapies also like Udvartnam, Swedanam. According to patient's Prakriti and Vikriti, those therapies can be added along with, can be given or can be introduced with this particular Vasti. Okay, so see, all the ingredients are basic what we have studied in standard Niruha Vasti preparation. That is the only way to prepare this Vasti also. Like we have to use Lavanam, Sneham, Kalkam, Kwatham. So that is the same trend we have to follow to make this Vasti also. But the Kalka Dravya will be different and Kwatha will be different. So what are those Dravyas? We are going to discuss. In this Vasti, Makshikam 200 ml we have to take, Lavanam 15 gram, Sneham is 200 ml. In Sneham, we can use Trifla Telam, Dashamuladi Telam, Murchita Tila Telam. These Telam can be used. In Kalka Dravya is 30 gram we have to use. For that, Ushakadi Gana is advised according to Acharya Shushruta. Okay, and Kwatha should be 300 ml, and Kwatha we have to prepare with Trifla, and Dhanya Amla is 200 ml. Here one thing I want to give you, just note down it. If Dhanya Amlam is not available, you can use Kulatha Kashayam, and there is another option also, Gomutra can be used. But when you use Gomutra, it really becomes very tikshna, and sometimes patient is really sukumara and they cannot tolerate that much tikshnata. So you should be careful while using Gomutra. Okay, Prakshepaka Dravya, you can use 10 gram Yavakshara. So note down all these ingredients of Lekhan Basti. Yes, there is two important point, that is instead of Dhanyamala, Kulatha Kashaya can be used or Gomutra can be used. Gomutra should be used with very precaution. It's better to give Anuvasana Basti on same day. When we practice Basti, we give it in two ways, right? In alternative ways like Anuvasana Nirupan, or in the same day we introduce both the Bastis, like before food Niruha and after food Anuvasana Vasti. But when you are planning Lekhana Vasti, always give Anuvasan same day only after the food. Kashaya Dravya 300 ml, that is Vibhitaki, Haritaki, Amlaki you have to use. And these are the Kalka Dravya, they should be 30 gram and each Dravya comes to 5 gram. So you have to take 5 gram Pushaka, Tutta, Kashisha, Hingu, Saindhava. 5 gram Pushaka, Tutta, Kashisha, Hingu and Saindhava you have to use. If these Dravyas are not available, then you can go for Musta, Shatahava, Vacha, Vilva, Kushta and Yavani. You can make the kalka of these dravyas and can be used. So we are done with the ingredients. Makshikam 200 ml, Lavanam, Sneham, स्नेहम त्रिफलादि तेल त्रिफला तेला दशमूला तेला तिल तेल मूर्छित तिल तेला. For kalka, ushakadi gan or other dravya I just mentioned, kwatha, trifla kwatha, dhanya amlam or gomutram or kulata kashayam, abapa is prakshepak dravya. So these are the ingredients you have to use, and the process of making of this basti is same. Like we have to use first makshikam, then lavnam, then sneham, drop by drop you have to mix, then kalkam, kwatham, then avapa you have to add at the end. Okay, so see, by these ingredients, the attributes, the quality of this basti is going to be tikshna. So by its tikshnata, it's going to create deepana, pachana, lekhana and rukshna effect in the body. And benefits of these bastis, it really helps in changing the weight. It helps to reduce the weight. And its word also suggests lekhana. It really helps to improve its metabolism. This basti is going to act uh, on your Jaఠragni, on your Dhatu Agni, on your Bhuta Agni, and really increase metabolism and stimulate the fat oxidations and helps to reduce weight. It really work on your serum cholesterol level, serum triglycerides, serum HDL cholesterol, and serum LDL and VLDL level also. See, just now we discussed Lekhana Basti, its ingredients and its how it's going to work on our body and its benefit. But here I want to tell you, just with Lekhana Basti you have to add other therapies also. But before that you have to understand patient's sattva, you have to understand patient's approach, you have to understand patient's lifestyle, because just before only I tell there is no particular pill, because for obesity there is not just one cause, there are the multiple causes, and these patients are really facing so many challenges, challenging at home, at work, at their life, in their lives, and there is so many things. So all these things you need to understand and you need to work out, then only you can see the whole result, the holistic result, and for you can really help the patient. Okay, so weight loss is more than a physical challenge, it's a mental challenge also for a patient, because he's really facing so many things. He's facing physical challenge, that is first. He's facing mental challenge, he is facing social challenges also. So these all things should be considered, and you should give time to patient, talk to patient, understand his problem, then a holistic approach should be followed. And yes, Lekhana Basti can be used to give him benefit. Okay, so takeaway after this class is you have learned its indication, its ingredients, and the quantity of ingredients and its benefit. So thank you so much. Thank you for learning, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class. Next class is most probably about Vaitarana Basti. Thank you so much. Namaskar.